Hey guys, so today I want to bring you a product that works really well. I've used this for years now, and it's probably one of my favorite products to put on your vehicle. It's super easy to use, and the results are fantastic. So I want to go ahead and share exactly what I got. I think you guys really like this just because it's easy to apply, makes a big difference, and like I said, it's one of the best products I've used. Like I said, I'm always looking for a product that's so easy to apply, and this one by Acura, it's the Rapid Ceramic Paint Sealant. It's so easy to apply, and it gives like the best finish that I've ever had by using a spray-on product. Now I've tried a ton of them, and they give so results, but this stuff it's on a different level. And like I said, for being a spray-on, it's so easy to use and apply, and it has some good results. So basically, all you do is you spray it on. You can spray it anywhere, the wheels, the headlights. You spray it on a clean car, of course. You wipe it with a microfiber towel, and then you flip to a dry part and you wipe it and buff it off. So this is what you get in the kit, the spray, and then you get a nice cloth. And like I said, it's really straightforward. Start with a clean car, you mist it on a section, and then you flip the towel and you buff it off. And then they say to leave it inside a garage covered out of the elements for at least 8 hours. So I do it when I get home one day, and I'll leave it overnight, and then it helps it cure. But like I said, the results are great. It'll leave it super shiny, super slick. It almost looks like it's wet. That's how shiny it makes it. I picked this up on Amazon. I would definitely check it out. It's straightforward, you just spray it on. Has a little lock here on the cap. So I'll get that opened here. And then, like I said, it comes in a fine mist. So you just mist one section. So I just do like this little quarter right here. Take your towel, wipe it, make sure it covers all the areas. It's really easy. And then after you're done with that, you flip it, and then you give it a good buff. And then that's it. And the directions say as it sits over time, it gets shinier and slicker, and that's true. Because you'll feel it and it'll be really slick, and then you'll come back the next day and it's way smoother than it was when you applied it on. So you have to let it set overnight. But I put it on the headlights, the wheels, everything. And then when you go to wash it, weeks later, whenever you do it, it's a lot easier to keep clean. My car stays a lot cleaner by using this. So if you haven't heard of this, you definitely should give it a try. Like I said, I've tried so many different ones. Here's the whole entire car done. What's good about it is it takes probably a half hour to do the whole entire car. And that's the wheels. I do the wheels, the headlights here, and it keeps it slick. So when you wash it, everything just slides right off of it. If you don't want to do some expensive ceramic coating, it'll cost thousands to do. This is a great product because, like I said, 30 minutes, you do your whole car. I do it probably every 2 months. It does a great job. My car looks clean. I might dust it off and it looks clean with being a dark color too. A lot easier than it did before, trying to keep it that way. So like I said, I highly recommend picking it up if you haven't. I saw it first advertised on a car show I was watching, and I thought, oh, why not give it a shot? I'm glad I did, because it's the only thing I use. I used to use Mothers and Meguiar's and all this different kind of spray sealants. This is way better than all those. I think once you guys use it, you'll love it. Works really good, and it really accentuates the lines on these cars with how slick it leaves it. So again, check Amazon. It's the one I bought it. It's about $19, I believe, for the box. It's a small bottle, but like I said, you don't use a whole bunch. I was able to do 3 different vehicles with it in a bottle. So it's not too bad at all. And like I said, the results are amazing. So definitely go over and check it out, okay? So I just wanted to share that with you guys. Hope you're having a good day out there. And I'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks again, everybody.